Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all you are safe. So, this is Maths class. We are going to continue the yesterday's portion. The same exercise 1.3. 3 problems are there to complete. We will complete that today. Okay. We are learning with matrix inversion methods. How to solve a given problem using matrix inversion method. So, problem 1 and 2 was completed and now problem 3. Say, third problem. A man is appointed in a job with a monthly salary of certain amount and a fixed amount of annual increment. So, a man was there in a job with one salary amount with fixed annual increment. So, if his salary was rupees 19,800 per month at the end of the first month after 3 years of service. So, after 3 years of service, his first month salary was 19,800. So, that means with his salary plus 3 years increment gives 19,800. And rupees 23,400 per month at the end of first month after 9 years of service. So, after 9 years of service, he is getting 23,400. Which means with his salary plus 9 times the annual increment gives 23,400. Find his starting salary and his annual increment. Say, use matrix inversion method to solve the problem. So, third problem, the solution. So, starting salary, right? So, we can take, let X be the starting salary and Y be the annual increment. Okay. The first was given rupees 9,800 at the end of the first month after 3 years. So, with his salary X plus how many years completed? 3 years. So, 3 annual increment. 3Y is equal to 19,800. Okay. Then, the second equation is 23,400 at the end of the first month after 9 years of service. So, salary plus 9 times the increment is equal to 23,400. Now, we have to solve this using matrix inversion method. Shall we solve it? Okay, matrix. First, we should write in matrix form, isn't it? So, matrix form is 1 coefficient, right? 1, 3, 1, 9 into X, Y is equal to 19,800, 23,400. Isn't it? This is of the form AX equal to B. So, what is X from here? A inverse into B. Isn't it? A inverse. What's the formula for A inverse? We know that 1 by determinant A into HA into B. Isn't it? Okay, we will keep it as equation number 1. We know what is B, what is A and what is X. So, we wanted to find out determinant A and HA. Okay, if you need to write one more step, you can write here in the side where A is equal to matrix 1, 3, 1, 9 and B is equal to 1, 9, 8, 0, 0, 2, 3, 4, 0, 0. 23,400, 19,800. Now, shall we simplify it? We have to find out what is determinant A and HA. So determinant A is equal to determinant 1, 3, 1, 9. So 1 into 9, 9 minus 1 into 3 is 3. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. So we can find out at GA. See, for 2 by 2 matrix, we know directly to find out at GA, isn't it? In the A, interchange the main diagonal. So 9, 1. The other diagonal, change the symbol. So plus 3 gives minus 3, plus 1 means that is minus 1. Now we can substitute. See, equation 1 implies capital X is equal to 1 by determinant A, 1 by 6 into RGA, 9 minus 3 minus 1, 1 into B, 19,800, and this is 23,400. Now, if you wanted to make it very simple, if there is any common number, we can take it out because this is biggest number, isn't it? See, 100 is common. More than that, if any number is there, that also we can take it out. Since here 6 is there, I hope if there is 6 in this number, we can take that 6 also outside. See, here 6 3s are 18. And again 18 is there. 6 3s are 18. So we can take 600 outside. If we take 600, say 9 minus 3 minus 1, 1. Here we may get 33. Here 2, 0. Here when we divide by 6, 3, 54. So 39. So to make it simple number, we have taken 600 commonly outside. So here 1666, here 100. So 100 into, now we can multiply. 9 into 33. Or again, see, 3 is common. If you want, we can take it out and then we can multiply. See, 3 we can take it out. So 3 into 11, 33, and 3 into 13 is 39. So 100 into 3, 33. Now we can multiply. 9 into 11, 99. Minus 3 into 13, minus 39. Minus 1 into 11, minus 11. Plus 1 into 13 is plus 13. So we may get 300 into 99 minus 39, that is 60, minus 11 plus 13 is 2. Now we can multiply. Okay, it's 600 into 30. Then for the second value, 300 into 2. Say 300 into 60. 3 zeros, 6 into 3, 18. So 18,000. And 300 into 2 is 600. So actually X is XY, isn't it? XY is equal to here 18,000 and the next value is 600. So therefore, starting salary X is equal to rupees 18,000 and annual increment Y is equal to rupees 600. Is it clear? Do you understand? So from the given question, we have to read it clearly once or twice, form the equation, then write it in the matrix form, solve it and find out the answer. Shall we move to the next problem? Next problem number 4. 4 men and 4 women can finish a piece of work jointly in 3 days, while 2 men and 5 women can finish the same work jointly in 4 days. Find the time taken by one man alone and that of one woman alone to finish the same work by using matrix inversion method. Which means 4 men and 4 women can finish the work in 3 days. The same work 2 men and 5 women can complete in 4 days. Okay, these two datas they have given, and the question asked is the time taken by one man alone and one woman alone to finish the piece of work by using matrix inversion method. Okay, shall we start to do? Say, I am taking let the number of days taken by a man and woman be X and Y. So, man will take X days to complete the work and woman will take Y days to complete the work. So, work finished by a man in 1 day. So, in X days they are completing means in 1 day how many work they will complete? 1 by X part. The same way work finished by a woman in 1 day. That is equal to 1 by Y. I am taking let 1 by X is equal to A, comma 1 by Y is equal to B in order to complete the problem. Okay, so now from given data or given information, anyone you can write it. So 4 men and 4 women can complete the work in 3 days, isn't it? That was the first data. So 4 men, so 4, the men can complete the work in 1 by X. So 4 by X plus 4 by Y is equal to, this is 1 day they are completing 1 by Y and 1 by X. So 1 by 3. Among 3 in 1 day they are completing. So this, when we write it, change it in A and B, we may get 4A plus 4B is equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiply, we may get 12A plus 12B is equal to 1. Okay, this is equation number 1. And the second information given was 2 men and 5 women. 2 men, 2 by X plus 5 women, 5 by Y. They are taking 4 days. So this is for 1 day we have taken. So 1 by 4. Shall we simplify and find it out? See, change it in A and B. 2A plus 5B is equal to 1 by 4. Cross multiply ma, so we may get 8A plus 5 into 4, 20B is equal to 1. This is equation number 2. Now we should write this both equation in matrix form. Then we have to solve it. See, these are the two equations. Shall we write it in matrix form? So the matrix form is 12, 12 and the next coefficient is 8, 20 into A, B is equal to 1, 1. So I can take it, this is AX equal to B. So AX is equal to A inverse into B. A inverse, the formula is 1 by determinant A into edge A. So this is B. This you can mark it as big one. Okay, now shall we find it out? So determinant A, that is determinant 12, 12, 8, 20 is equal to 12 into 20, that's 240 minus 8 into 12. 2 into 8, 1696, which is equal to, so 240 minus 96, we will be getting 140. This is not equal to 0. Now it's easy for us to find out edge A. So main diagonal we have to interchange. So 20 and here 12. The other diagonal symbol will change, isn't it? Plus 12 means minus 12 and plus 8 means that is minus 8. Now we have got the value. We can substitute in the big one. That one implies x is equal to 1 by determinant A, 1 by 144 into edge A, 20 minus 12 minus 8 12 into B, that is 1 1. So 1 by 144 into, shall we multiply? See, here also we have the common number. If you want, you can take it out and do it. But since we have here 1 1, it is easy for us to multiply. So we will multiply as it is. 20 into 120 minus 12. And this is minus 8 plus 12. So which is equal to 1 by 144 into 20 minus 12, 8, and minus 8 plus 12, 4. So that is 8 by 144 and this is 4 by 144. So when we divide by 8, 1 8 is 8 and here 1 8 is 8, 64. 8. 8 8s are 64. So here we are getting 1 by 18. Here 1 4 is 4. 3 4s are 12. So 24. 6 4s are 24. So here we are getting 1 by 36. Actually this here x is a, b. So we have got it. A is equal to 1 by 18. Which implies, actually a is 1 by x, isn't it? 1 by x is equal to 1 by 18. That implies x is equal to 18. The same way, b is equal to 1 by 36 implies 1 by y is equal to 1 by 36. Which implies y is equal to 36. So, a man can complete a piece of work in 18 days. And a woman can complete the piece of work in 36 days. Is that clear? So, a man can complete the work in 18 days and a woman can complete the same work in 36 days. The next problem, problem number 5. The prices of 3 commodities A, B and C are rupees X, Y and Z per units respectively. So 3 commodities A, B, C. The amount of A is X rupees, B is Y rupees and C is Z rupees. See, a person P purchases 4 units of B and sells 2 units of A and 5 units of C. What is the meaning? P purchases 4 units. So his amount is being loss, isn't it? He is buying, so he has to give the money. And he sells means he is gaining 2 units of A's amount and 5 units of C's amount. And person Q purchases 2 units of C and 3 units of A and sells 3 units of A and 1 unit of B. And person R purchases 1 unit of A and sells 3 unit of B and 1 unit of C. Okay, in this process, P, Q and R earns. P earns rupees 15,000, Q earns rupees 1,000 and R earns rupees 4,000 respectively. Now find the prices per unit of A, B and C. Use matrix inversion method to solve the problem. Okay, in the bracket if they are not giving matrix inversion method, you can do it in any one of the method what you know. Okay, since they have given matrix inversion method, we have to do that. Now see problem number 5, the solution. Here x, y, z everything is given. So directly I am writing from the given data. So for the P we can write first. A person P. P purchases 4 unit of B, sells 2 unit of A. 2 unit of A, that is X. He has purchases. Purchases means he is losing his amount. So minus 4Y and 5 unit of C plus 5C. And total amount he earns is 15,000. Okay. And person Q purchases 2 unit of C, so minus 2C, and sells 3 unit of A and 1 unit of B, 3 unit of A and 1 unit of B, and his amount is 1000. And R purchases 1 unit of A, so minus X, and sells 3 units of B, so plus 3Y, and 1 unit of C. So, sorry, this is Z, not C. Z is equal to, the amount is 4000. So now we have to solve using matrix inversion method. So first we can write the matrix form. Matrix form. See, 2 minus 4, 5, 3, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 3, 1 into X, Y, Z is equal to 15,000, 1,000, then 4,000. This is Ax equal to B and X is equal to A inverse B. Isn't it? We know that already I have explained to you very clearly in yesterday's class. So pre-multiply by A inverse in both sides. So A will be eliminated and there we will get A inverse into B. Now here X is equal to A inverse is 1 by determinant A into HA into B. So we can mark it as equation number 1. So now we need to find out determinant A and HA. Say determinant A is equal to determinant 2 minus 4, 5, 3, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 3, 1. Shall we find out the answer? Or here itself we can write that is 2 into, first value 2 into, leaving the row and column. This is 1 minus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Since here we have a minus, it will become plus 6. Minus, here also we have the number minus, so minus 4 into, leave that row and column. 3 into 1, 3 minus 1 into minus 2, that is plus 2. Then the next value, plus 5 into 3 into 3, 9 minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1. Since here we have a minus, that is plus 1. Now simplify it. 2 into 7, this is minus into minus, plus 4 into 3 minus 2 is 1, plus 5 into 9 plus 1 is 10. So 14 plus 4 plus 50. This is 54, 64, 68. This is, which is not equal to 0. So A inverse exists. With this, now we have to find out HA. Actually, HA is equal to Aij the whole transverse. So cofactor matrix the whole transverse. So plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, and third value again plus, minus, plus. Now we have to do using the procedure for the first value. Okay, this also A only, no? From here we can do it, leaving the row and column. That is 1 minus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, so it will become plus 6. And for the second value, 3 into 1, that is 3 minus 1 into minus 2, that is plus 2. For this 3 into 3, 9 minus 1 into 1, that's minus 1. Since here we have a minus, it will become plus 1. Now for this position, leaving the row and column, minus 1 into 1, minus 4, minus 3 into 5 is 15. And for this position, leaving the row and column, 2 into 1, 2 minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. It will become plus 5. And for this position, leaving the row and column, 2 into 3, 6 minus 1 into minus 4 is 4. Leaving the row and column, minus 4 into minus 2, 8 minus 1 into 5 is 5. And here 2 into minus 2, minus 4 minus 15, 3 into 5, 15. Now this is 2 minus 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. Since we have a minus here, that is plus 12. The whole transverse. Now shall we simplify it? See, 7. 3 minus 2 is 1. Since we have a minus outside, that is minus 1. 9 plus 1, 10. This is minus 4 minus 15. That's minus 19. Outside minus, minus into minus plus 19. 2 plus 5, 7. 6 minus 4. That is 2. Outside minus, minus 2. 8 minus 5, 3. Minus 4 minus 15. That is minus 19. It will become plus 19. And this is 14. The whole transverse. Now you can write the answer. Row will become column, isn't it? 7 minus 1, 10. 19, 7 minus 2. And this is 3, 19, 14. So we have got it. Determinant A equal to 68. And this is at A. Now shall we substitute in equation 1 to find out x, y, z. See equation 1, that is x is equal to 1 by determinant A. We got 68 into RGA. 7, 19, 3 minus 1, 7, 19. And that is 10 minus 2, 14. Into B, 15,000, 1,000, 4,000. So in order to make it simplify, shall we take the 1,000 outside? So 1,000 by 68 into 7, 19, 3 minus 1, 7, 19, 10 minus 2, 14 into 15, 1, 4. Now ordinary multiplication, we have to multiply and find it out. See? Since you know the multiplication, directly I have written the answer. 105 plus 19 plus 12 minus 15 plus 7 plus 19 into 4, 76. This is 150 minus 2 plus 56. Just add it and check it, okay? Now 1,000 into, know that, see, 168 into 2 is 136. So when we divide, you will get 68 by 68 is 1. 68 into 3, that is 204. Now multiply it, you will get 2,000, 1,000 and this is 3,000. Here x, isn't it? Or this is x, y, z. So x is equal to 2,000. Y is equal to 1,000 and z is equal to, we have got it, 3,000. Actually the question was find the prices per unit of ABC. So you can write therefore the prices per unit of A, B and C are respectively rupees 2,000, rupees 1,000 and rupees 3,000. Would you all understood this? See, we have completed by this exercise 1.3 completed. Today there is no work done for you. The work there is to learn this exercise 1.3. Okay. Tomorrow we will be learning, we are going to learn the same solving by using the another method, determinant method, or by using Cramer's rule. Okay. Be safe and take care of your family members. Thank you. Bye-bye.